Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be bringing you another Colourpop video. Now this isn't really a haul video. Maybe it's like a mini haul. I don't know. Mini haul. We'll say that. And I'm going to show you guys what I got. It says your summertime fun. Well, thank you. I really like how cute their boxes and stuff are. So it just looks like this inside. What does this say? Resting beach face. I have that a lot. That one and the other one. So what I have done a haul of is, or a mini haul, is Supershock shadows. I know. I can't stop. I won't stop. I just can't. So I'm going to show you each of the colors that I got, and I'm going to swatch them all. To get started, I already have my foundation and stuff on because I'm probably going to be doing a look at the end of this with one of these because it's too tempting not to. And I have on my base, my foundation, contour, concealer, and I tried the new Mia Adora. I don't know if it's new or not. I don't know why I said new. It's the micro brow pencil that they had sent me. First time I've ever used a micro brow pencil. I'm actually liking it pretty well. I'm going to link that up there if you want to see that. So let's get started. The first shadow I have is called Millennium, and it's a Supershock pigment. Duh. Why am I reading that part? It's an ultra metallic. Very pretty. And it looks like this. It's very pretty. How am I not going to use all of these colors all at once? The next color I have is called Let Me Pass. It is an ultra glitter, and it just looks like this. It's like an orange rusty kind of shade, which I'm most likely going to be using. We'll see. Super tempting to use them all. This one looked a little more yellow online, so I'm kind of disappointed, but not really, but kind of, because it looks more like true gold. It's called Here We Go Again. Oh, I rubbed it before I showed it to you. No, now the pattern's messed up. It's more like a true, like, gold color, but it looked more yellow online, but that's okay. The next color I'm really excited to use, I may be using this one today, is called Monkey Business. How cute is that name? Ah, I keep rubbing them before I show them to you. This is like a orange-red color. I don't know, it's something I don't have, which when I buy new shadows and stuff, I try to get things I already don't have in a palette or somewhere else, because, like, why would you? The next color is Empire, and it's a pearlized. I didn't tell you the other one was a matte, obviously, because you could tell. This is, keep touching them before I show them to you. This is a emerald green. Woo! It's like a real deal emerald green. The next one is called So Quiche, which looked really cool online. It looked really different, like anything I've seen before. And let me use my pinky. And it's like, what is this color? It's like super weird. You know, I don't know what to say that the color is. It's so strange because it almost looks silvery and then it looks taupey, and it's got like pink and silver glitter in it. It's really pretty. So this one is called Lala. It is an ultra glitter also. Really pretty. Let's do this one right here. Ooh, that's pretty. I wasn't expecting it to be that color. Still pretty. And nope, not the last one. The almost last one. This one is it's a part of the Disney collection of theirs. It's got the cute little gold packaging if I can get it out. And comes in a little black pot instead of white. It's called Almost There. It is an ultra glitter also. Very freaking pretty. Okay, I honestly don't know what I'm going to use today. Woo! Jeez, that's pretty. Did you say cheese? That is so pretty. Oh my god, I love Supershock shadows. As soon as I tried that first one, I was like, okay, well, I'm hooked and I'm going to keep buying them. And that's exactly what I've done. I can't stop. This one is the last one. It's called Issa, and it's an ultra metallic. It is like a plummy, eggplanty blue. Like, wow, it looks blue right here, but it looks purple, like on my finger and everywhere else. And I'm so smart, I just got it on top of that other one. So this is what these look like. Let's see if I can get a little closer to you. My goodness. These are really pretty. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do. What do you guys think I should do? Should I stick with the orange tones? Okay, because that was my initial thing that I thought I would do. Let me put on my kitty cat ears. Because that is the initial thing that I wanted to do. I'm going to stick with that. And I'm going to use the orange. And let's use, okay. Let's start off with this color Monkey Business, which was that red-orange shade that I showed you. And I'm gonna super drop it. It rolled 5 feet away. I'm back. That's the only thing about it being in a little circular thing like that, is that when it rolls, it's gone. Okay, I'm gonna use my It Cosmetics Airbrush Shadow Brush. I don't know if this is gonna work for this, but I'm gonna zoom in first. Duh. And I'm just gonna stamp this color in the crease. Ooh, it's a pretty color, isn't it? This is a very pretty color. My goodness. I really like Supershock shadows. Just don't know. That is a really pretty color. Like, it kind of looks just pink on my eye, but it looks so like orangey toned in the pan. Not what I was expecting, but it's okay. I think it'll still work with what I want to do, or what I think I want to do. I change my mind a lot. Alright, let me wipe that off so I can blend that out. Do a little bit more blending. I want my edges to be soft and not choppy. Okay, and because you want to keep these shut and not leave them open, I'm going to go ahead and get a small smudger brush. This is just, what is this? Step 3 Go, or what? Step 3 Go Girl Go Vintage Company. It's just a little smudger brush. I'm going to go ahead and put that. The more dense of a brush you use, the more it looks different. Like, it looks like a different color. Huh. I guess that's why it looked more like orange with my finger. I don't know. And I just got some black in my container off that brush. Alright, next color I'm going to use is going to be this orange Let Me Pass shade that I showed you guys a second ago. Too pretty not to use. I'm going to tap some of that under the eye also. I feel like it's just blending in with the other shade and not doing anything. Okay. Now let's put this, what am I doing? Let's put this brush up. I'm going to start making a pledge to not do a video without drinking coffee first, since I'm an utter mess when I don't have coffee. That's why I'm a mess right now. I'm just going to use that same airbrush shadow brush and see if I can do anything with that. Now that looks like I'm not going to be able to do it without using my finger. Let's go in with our finger. Let's do that. Whoa. That is so orange. Super weird, right? It's like a burnt orange. I'm going to put it on this eye. Just laying it down all over the lid and a little up into the crease. Let me see if I can get any on this brush at all. We're going to go in over that other color and kind of smush it out. Just doing some back and forth motions. I think I have my lights like a little too close today, because I think it's making my my color and stuff look a little different than it would normally look, because if I look back here in my mirror with it, it looks a little different than it does on the camera with these lights right in my face. I think I just sat them a little too close today. We'll be alright. Alright, the next brush I'm going to take is, let me get a clean Elizabeth Mott blending brush. It's just a blending brush. I just need a clean brush. And then I'm going to just blend those edges out because I don't really want to spread color anywhere else. I just want to make sure it's even. It's kind of weird because this eye looks a little choppy on the camera, but it's not in my mirror. So that's a little weird. Haven't had that happen before. Oh well. Now let's move on to the next color I'm going to use, which is going to be the gold Here We Go Again color. Now I'm going to go in just straight with my finger. These are so creamy. Oh, holy cow. Holy cow. That is pigmented. This eye reminds me of like fire. Like the different progressions, shades of fire. I'm gonna go under with my finger with that. That's a very pretty color. I mean, it is yellow still. I'm just gonna blend. Make sure there's more of a gradient right here. It is still a really yellow gold, I guess. So I guess it is a little more yellow. Man, that looks like, it reminds me of like the colors of Starburst or something. Okay. Now I'm going to put that away, and I don't think I need to add any more colors to that. I think the colors of this is fine. Make sure everything is blended out. But really, I don't know why this eye looks splotchy right here, because it really honestly doesn't. You know, I like to post my pictures on Instagram when I get done. I'll go and take some pictures, like outdoor pictures and stuff, so you can see what the look really looks like. And I'll post it on there, and they are not filtered, and you can see what it looks like. And I'm going to do that today also, and you'll be able to see that it doesn't look like how for some reason it looks on the camera, because that's a little weird. Okay, now let's move on to, let's go ahead and do our eyes, see how this looks with our eyes done. Because like I said, I already have my foundation, concealer, contour, eyebrows done. And that's just the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the Tarte Clay Stick waterproof concealer. I'm just using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara right now. I have on the Pacifica Beauty, what's it called? The Rose Contour and Blush Kit. I'm really liking that. It's like a more affordable Hoola bronzer. It's just a really cool colored contour that has no warmth in it at all. Because when I contour my face, I don't want any warmth in that. Bronzing is different, but when you contour, you want it to be cool. I have a contouring tutorial that's pretty in-depth that I'll link up there if you would like to see that. That just tells you the ways I like to contour, and when I do my face, like a full contour, how I like to do it. I'm just going to put 2 coats of this on. Because y'all know how I am about that. I like to have lots and lots of mascara. I feel like the camera is not picking up like just how pretty this actually is, this eye look actually is. Which is a darn shame. So what color do I want to use? No. I'm going to get more of a pinky color. I don't know if I like that. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see what color I want to use. I may actually just be really simple today. No, that's way too pink. I think I'm just gonna go for a gloss today, which is crazy. I'm just gonna use this Appeal holographic lip gloss in the shade Posh. Just looks like this. Because sometimes when you have this kind of eye look, it's better just to keep the lips pretty simple. And if I don't do just a nude lip with something like this, I'm going to do just a gloss. So let me zoom you out a little bit because we're going to highlight really quickly. And if you guys need any kind of help with highlighting and like the whole highlighting bronzing process, I can link a video up there where I have my highlighting and whatnot. This is just the Mary Luminizer, the Balm Mary Luminizer that I'm using, which I'm sure you've all seen it before. Take a little, all right. I'm feeling really pinky and pretty. Oh wait, before I'm done, I don't know why I forgot, I'm going to take my little Luxie 111 mini angled like this, and I'm just tapping that on the center. The center? This isn't the center. It's the inner eye. It's not the center of my eye though. I got a little bit of mascara right there. And you guys know what I like to do, a little trick I've showed you before. If you get mascara on your face, take your little cotton bud, a Q-tip, whatever you want to call it, and do some little twisting and flicking motions just so, and it will come off. There we go. And that is the finished look for this. Let me zoom you back in. Really reminds me of like the sun or fire or something. Like I really like it. I really like how it blue. It makes my eyes look also. So let's take off it happens every time. Every time. There we go. Alright, that's the finished look, and I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below how you like this video, how you like the eye look, and make sure you check out my Instagram if you want to see how this looks out in daylight pictures and whatnot. And also, let me know, do you have any of these shades, because I'm really excited to play with them and use them. I was going to say especially these, but probably especially all of them. I really am excited to play with all of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Wow. E.T. Long home. That's what happens when you swatch Supershock shadows. They super stain. That's what they should be called, super staining shadows. Anyways, subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!